So hello everyone, our today's topic is conditional situation. So before we start the video, I want to tell you guys that the vocabulary that we used in this conversation, I have provided that into the description box, so you can download it from description box. So let's start the video.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Okay. Good evening. And how did your day go?
My day was good. What about you?
Amazing. And are you less nervous today than last time?
Yes, of course.
You have more confidence to speak now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, very well. So tell me, what are some changes that you wish to see in the world?
Changes in the world. Okay. I want less corruption.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
I want less pollution
Mhm.
in the world.
Mhm.
Okay, I want people to be more true, people not to lie more. Yeah, these are the changes.
Okay, people shouldn't lie too much. They should be
Yes,
truer. They should be more
yes.
true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
in Japan, I think there is a country where all the people are like they are true. Like there is a in their shop there is no shopkeepers. I feel so they give the money and take the like what they want. So yeah, I want that type of environment in this
In
country.
our country. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I think even I've heard of that. It's either Korea or Japan. I'm confused
Yeah,
between.
yeah. I'm too.
Okay. I'm
Yeah,
also confused.
yeah. I'm also confused.
Okay. Any other country's lifestyle that you are really attracted to? Any other aspect of their lifestyle?
Yeah, like their technology. Like in Japan, also their technology is too high. So I want that type of technology in our country.
Okay.
Yes,
Advanced. Their technology is very advanced, and I
yes,
want that
yes,
in our country. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Do you think technology is good or bad for our society?
Like, technology is good if we are using in good way, but it's sometimes bad also. Yeah, if anything, there are two aspects of anything. So there's a bad and good also. So I
Correct.
feel technology may make our like work easy to do. They make our faster. Speed of doing work is faster.
Okay. Technology makes our life easier. It makes it increases the speed of our work.
Yes.
Okay, this way.
Yes.
Okay, and what are the ill effects? Hello. Yeah,
There's some connection issue, I think.
yeah.
Yes,
I
yes.
can I can hear
Audible?
you again. Yes.
Okay.
What are the ill effects of technology in your
Ill
life?
effects.
In your life, let's speak about that.
Like if we're taking example of like mobile, so there are viruses and anyone can easily hack us. So they can leak our information. That is the bad part of technology.
So security issues.
Yeah, security issues.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Very well said. Let me give you a situation. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say that you were sitting in a cafe and
Okay.
suddenly a man walks up to you and says, I want to cast you in a movie.
Okay.
Okay, because Chandan, I'm a director, I want to cast you
Okay.
in a movie. What would be your reaction?
Okay, I'm surprised because I don't like acting, so I maybe said no to him. But yeah, I'm surprised because like any director approaches me directly, so that was surprising for me.
Correct.
But yeah, but I am not an actor. I don't like acting, so I say no to him.
I will say no. So
Yeah.
you're speaking about a situation that what you would have done, right?
Yes.
So you say I would be surprised.
Yeah.
So
Okay. I
when
would listen.
yeah, in a situation where you don't which is not real or you're
Mhm.
imagining, you know,
Yes.
which is more of a hypothesis,
Yes.
you use could and would. So you say I would have been very surprised or I will be very surprised, and but I would not take up the offer and I would deny it. I would, again you're seeing the
Okay.
repetition
I
message.
understand.
Yes, I
Yes.
would deny it because I don't like acting.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very well. Another situation. Okay. Let's say you
Okay.
slept today night. And
Okay.
tomorrow morning when you wake up, you're a 6-year-old child.
I am a 6-year-old child.
Yes. What are the
Okay.
things that you would want to do with this life?
This would be great for me because I can live my life, and even this time I know my future, so I can like correct everything which I made the mistakes, and I can be a genius guy at that time.
I can be a genius. Full
I
stop.
can be a genius. Okay. So there was a guy I know, Kautilya. The name was Kautilya, 13-year-old.
Okay.
You know him?
No.
Yeah, he like, if you ask anything to him, he can answer every question. He can answer every question. Okay, so I can be that guy.
Okay. If you ask him anything,
Yeah, he can answer.
he can answer. Okay. You want to be
Okay.
intelligent. You want to work on your
Yeah.
IQ.
Yes.
Okay. Very well. Let me give you another one. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say early in the morning, your doorbell rings. Okay. And it's the police, and you are arrested without any explanation.
Okay.
What would be your reaction? The police will not tell you why, they will just arrest you.
Well, that was shocking for me because uh, suddenly police arrived and catches me. That's like shocking for me. And if I am asking to them why they are arresting me and they are not giving any explanation, so I'm scared at that time. But yeah, if they're not able to like answer me, though, then I'll go with them and talk to in the station.
Talk to them at the station.
Yeah.
Okay. And you say that was shocking, right?
Yeah.
That would have been shocking for me.
Okay.
Okay. Imagining again, right?
Yes.
Unreal. This situation did not happen in your life. If you say, I'll tell you the difference. If you say that was shocking for me, it means this situation has
Happened with me.
in you. Yes.
Yes.
You understand why we use this?
Understand.
Okay, very well. And who would you call for help?
My parents and my friend.
Okay. And what will you tell the police?
Like, I try to negotiate with them, and I ask that why are you like arresting me, because I didn't do anything. So because that's my right to ask them now why they are arresting me. If they are not able to like, they're not ready to answer me, then I call my parents and they will talk to them because they are experienced in that now.
Yes.
Yes.
No, they're experienced in handling situations and they're wiser than us.
Yeah, they are wiser.
Yes. Okay. What will you explain? You're studying or working?
I'm studying.
Okay. What will you explain in college? Why are you absent? Why have you taken leave?
Like, if there is a valid reason, so I told them that this is the reason that I am absent. But if I'm like taking leave for without any reason, then I can make excuse like I am sick or I have fever, I'm suffering from fever. So yeah, this could be the reason.
Okay. And
Yeah.
are you good at negotiating? Like when you go shopping or something, are you good?
No,
No?
I'm not good at that. Yes.
You did not learn it from your mothers and sisters?
No, because I didn't go shopping with my mother and sister that much because I'm living with my father. So yeah, if I want anything, then I told my father, then he gave me that. So I'm not good in bargaining for shopping at all.
Oh, okay. When I go with my friends are so good at negotiating. Like especially
Yeah,
because girls shop a
because I
lot,
think,
right?
yeah, because that is their safe zone. I feel
It is.
girls are very good in negotiating.
Yeah, and we really want something, so we just fight. Bhaiya,
Yeah,
bhaiya, please.
yeah. I think girls like shopping more than boys.
True.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Like one thing I want to add, like when I go to shopping, if I'm taking too much time and the place was too crowded, then like I got frustrated. That's why I don't like shopping at all.
I get frustrated when I go
Yeah.
shopping and it's very
Yes.
crowded.
Yes.
Okay.
When it's very crowded, if I go shopping and I finish shopping in like less hours, in less time, then that's good for me. But if I'm taking too much time, then that is frustrated for me. That's why I shop online most of the time.
That is frustrating for me. Okay, yes, even I prefer online shopping mostly. But for girls, crowd is not an issue. We'll just enter.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, back to our situation. Would you bribe the police to be released?
Like it depends upon situation. If they are while I'm talking, then I will know that if they are bribe thief or not. If they are bribe thief, then I can like uh, try to bribe them. If they are not that type of person, so I will not do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think that sometimes corruption is good? Why or why not?
I think corruption is never be good for anyone. If sometimes you feel that corruption is good when your work is get like you get your work done easily while giving a small amount of money. When your work is not done while corruption, so then you able to know that the corruption is not good for anyone. If there is no corruption from both of the sides, so there's no need of like money to give and take. So yeah, that's why I feel corruption is very bad for everyone. But nowadays everyone is accepted that corruption is there, is the part of their life
Correct,
nowadays.
because we want to get our work done faster.
Yes,
So
that's what.
somewhere or the other, it's present,
Yes.
right? Okay. Okay. In a bizarre turn of events,
Okay.
it turns out that the police have caught the wrong person. They've caught you by mistake. So they apologize to you and they
Okay.
release you. But what is your reaction? Because they put you through so much mental trauma, right?
Yeah, like they torture me at that time, then if they are apologize to me, then I will also shout on them, because this is the time where I can like fight with them. Ki, why you are arresting me without reason, and you are charging me without any reason like proven. So this is not the right way to like treat with us. You have to like find the answer, find the truth first, then you can charge to anyone.
You
So
can
yeah,
charge anyone. Yeah.
yeah, you can charge anyone. So yeah, I will shout somewhere because I'm angry at that time. So yeah, this could be.
Okay. And how would your friends react? They will be more angry than they will be angrier
Yes,
than you, right?
of course, because if, when I am in trouble, then they got more angry. My parents will also be more angry at that time.
They would be more angry.
Yeah, they would be more angry at that time, because if anyone wants their son in trouble, so yeah, their friends in trouble, so they get angry at that time
Yes, correct. They would.
without their mistakes.
True.
Yeah.
So correct. Okay. Good conversation. I really liked it because I see a massive difference between you speaking today and the other day.
Last session. Yeah.
Yes, in
I
terms of
remember. Yeah,
in
I remember your like advice, that what you told me in the previous session. I work on that, and then I'm here.
so happy because you're speaking a little more freely, not so like
Yes.
consciously, and you're speaking a lot today. So I really like it and I enjoyed it because
Thank you. Thank you.
you're trying to speak your mind. I know that,
Yeah.
and the more words that you find, I'm sure that you'll be able to speak more. So
Okay.
what I would suggest this time is that sometimes you use some words
Okay.
repeatedly. Yeah.
Yeah.
For example, you kept saying, I would have been surprised, I would have been surprised multiple times. You can also say, I would be taken aback, I would be shocked, I would be
Yes.
astonished. Okay, these are common words, not even very fancy words, common words, but a change.
Yes. I understand.
I would also be surprised, you can say. I would be surprised. How come a
Okay.
director has found me? What has he found in me? Am I very handsome? So a
Yes.
little more of sentiment
Yes.
you can add.
Yes.
Okay, because we have different sorts of emotion, not just one. Shock is not the only emotion you would have faced, right? Fear.
Yes.
When the police arrives, we are a little scared.
Yeah.
So I would have been a little fearful. Try to think of more emotions. Get into that role and that character more is what I'm saying.
Yeah, understand.
Okay, then you'll find ways to elaborate. So yes, this is one thing. And then yes, I corrected a few of your mistakes as you made them. Try to understand the usage of would and could when you use it. Okay.
Yeah. I'm confused in uses of would and could. I try to learn, but yeah, in the next session we will discuss on that.
Yes, let me tell it to you in short. Okay.
Okay.
Would and could I used for something that is conditional. For example, if I had studied well, I would be somewhere today. Now we are
Okay.
imagining all this. Let's say you didn't study well, right? We are
Okay.
imagining if I had done that, this will happen. This would have happened. Okay, or this could have happened. That's when you use would and could, when situations are unreal, when you're speaking about something that has not happened, when something is unrealistic. You know,
Okay.
I could have been the president of India if somebody gave me the chance.
Yeah.
Now we're just speaking in air, right? We are imagining, we are wishing for something to happen. And when there is no surety of an event, even then.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was so cloudy yesterday that it could have rained.
Okay.
Okay. The
So,
root
like,
was,
if we are talking about any imaginary thing, then there we can use would or could.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Something that doesn't happen, something that has lesser chances of realizing in the future. Okay. Converting into real event, something that's unrealistic. All these situations, something that's conditional. Wherever you use if, remember that in a short way. If, even there you use would and could.
Okay.
Okay. So these are short ways, but I'll explain it to you more in detail if you get confused. Just let me know in the next class.